Hey guys, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome start to your November. Today's video is an exciting one. It is a brand new release from Lily Jade. I'm going to be sharing the Care line. So those of you that have been around this channel here for a while know that I am obsessed with Lily Jade bags. I have been using and reviewing all of their different bags for a good couple of years now. I'll put down below in the description box my playlist for all of my different Lily Jade videos and unboxings and new releases from over the years. And you guys can kind of check out that playlist if there's a particular style that you're interested in, or if you just want to get a feel for the Lily Jade brand as a whole. Those of you that might not be familiar with Lily Jade, they are known for their full grain leather travel bags, diaper bags, bags that can really transition from motherhood all the way up through years without the kids. And I love that about this brand because I don't have any littles anymore. My youngest is 5. My oldest is going to be 11 this month, like 11. I can't even wrap my head around it. But what I love about this brand is that I still use their bags regularly, like on a daily basis when I travel, when I have the kids and when I don't have the kids. But this bag here, I'm excited to share with you and be a part of this launch because it is the first bag that Lily Jade has designed in a faux leather material. For years and years, people have been asking Lily Jade for a faux leather option just for a little bit more lower of a price point and just a different style of bag. So I'm excited because they have designed the Care line, and it is like no other faux leather bag that I personally have tried. It has a super soft material. It's really, really comfortable. And this overall style of the bag, the organization on the inside and the different ways that you can carry it are really, really top notch. Like, I can't say enough about it. So this bag is launching on November 13th, which is next Wednesday, I believe. I think it's Wednesday. I don't have a calendar in front of me. Tuesday or Wednesday. I believe it's Wednesday. But it is launching at a price point of $149. So it's really affordable, and it's perfect in time for the holidays. It's coming in 3 different colorways: gray, black, and this camel color. I will link below the other videos to 2 other content creators, Megan and Kate, who are going to be doing a review and packing video just like me on the stone bag or the gray color and black. So you'll be able to see all 3 options packed and in action so that you can make a decision as to what color might suit your needs the best. So let's set this camera down, go through the bag. I'm excited to share with you all the features and the new little details that Lily Jade added, and then show you how I have her all packed up. All right, I have so much I want to tell you guys about this bag that I'm not even sure where to start. So I thought I would go ahead and talk about some of my favorite features of the bag and then the different ways that you can carry her. So on the top here, one of my favorite things about this bag are the 2 grab handles. It was so easy to just grab and go with this bag on my recent girls trip to Asheville, North Carolina. I carried her as my airplane carry-on. I toured with her all around downtown Asheville, and we spent an entire day at the Biltmore, and this bag was my bag of choice the entire time. She's really easy to transition to traveling and then into like everyday wear. You can pack her really full, and then you can take everything out, and she just seems to slouch and stay buttery soft and looks really, really good on the body. So right here, like I said, you have the 2 awesome grab handles. They do fit in the crook of my arm, and they're so awesome to just like grab and go whenever you're out and about. You also have an optional messenger strap here that you can wear the bag crossbody, or you can wear it over your shoulder. So either way, the strap does get super long, or you can shorten it with the ring and wear it like over your shoulder. The quality of the hardware is just like you would expect from Lily Jade, really, really top quality. Then you also have down here in the corner the signature Lily Jade tassel, but this Care line bag has a little bit of a twist and a tassel all on her own. You have a different Lily Jade logo here that your other bags don't have. I'll make sure to post kind of a still shot, a really good detailed shot over on Instagram so you can see it up close, but you still have the signature jade beads and the tassel down here, but the little icon here is just a little bit different, so it makes this bag really special. So as you guys already know, this bag is a faux leather bag but it is so soft, and unlike any of the other faux leather bags that I've seen kind of recently on the market, most of them tend to be stiff and they don't have a lot of give to them. I feel like this one slouches really nicely and is comfortable and smooth on the body. The pebble in this is really nice also. And I think that it's gonna look good in any color that you choose. So like I mentioned earlier, my friends Kate and Megan have the other two colors. Definitely check those out so that you can see how this bag looks in those particular colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip her around before I get on into the organization to show you the final way that you can carry it. And that is backpack way. I carried this pretty much, I would say maybe 75–80% of the time was in backpack mode, which is like my preferred method when I have the kids or even when I don't have the kids. But what's so cool about this bag is that you don't have to use the backpack straps, and you can actually zip them inside this pocket and you wouldn't even know that you can carry it backpack way. The straps are nicely padded, like crazy comfortable, you guys. Like I can't say enough about the comfort of these straps when I was touring all around Asheville with these straps. You can detach them down here. I'll show you really quickly what it will look like if you decide that the backpack carry maybe isn't the option of your choice and you just want to use maybe the grab handles or the shoulder strap. You can flip this flap here up, unzip the back, which I already have it unzipped, and then your straps get tucked in the inside, just like so. And then you can zip the bag back up, and you would never know that she has that option to carry backpack. I love it. Also, if you have it kind of unzipped here, you can use this pocket to put maybe papers or something else that you have. I just think that the bag looks so awesome with or without the backpack straps. But I know that some of you out there don't necessarily want a bag that you can carry backpack way. This one, you have all of the different options. So moving on to the front of the bag, I want to show you the different pockets and start unpacking her. So in the front here, you have two nice zipper pockets. The zippers are crazy smooth. Over here in this one, I have an amber wallet, and she fits perfectly inside this pocket. This is a good opportunity to really show you guys the different colors. Those of you that have Lily Jade products already would be used to kind of some of the colors that they already have in their different lines. This one here is the traditional camel color. So as you can see, this faux leather bag is much lighter of a camel than the one that you might be used to in their full grain leather bags. So that's kind of an up close there on those color options. I'll also show you what brandy looks like up against this particular camel color, just to give you another good idea, those of you that have a bunch of brandy in your collection already. As you can see, it's a much lighter of a like leather option. Moving on into the other pocket that I have over here, I used this the entire time as my snack pocket because I was traveling on an airplane and we were out for super long days and we never knew when we were going to be stopping to eat, so I never wanted to be without snacks. I just have some peanuts in here. I also have one or two of these RX bars, which are my favorite. My kids hate them. I'm obsessed with them. I also have goldfish because it's what I had in my pantry when I left. And then another RX bar there. So you can fit a ton in that front pocket. They're nice and deep, and then like I said, of course, before, the zippers are really, really smooth, so it's easy to get everything in and out of. Right behind these two pockets, you have a little bit hidden of a pocket. It has a button magnetic closure, and it is a long flap that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. I didn't use this pocket much just because I chose to have things in these front pockets and inside the big bag. I think I just have a couple of brochures from the Biltmore when we went, and then the pamphlet and my ticket and things like that that I needed to get in and out of the different areas of the Biltmore, and they fit really good just right in that front flap. But it is a very large pocket. You can fit a lot in it. I just didn't really put a lot in it as far as my own travel needs. On the sides of the bag here, you have two huge pockets. You can fit really big water bottles in the side. I actually have my water bottle packed inside the bag. Just personal preference, I usually will pack them inside bags instead of the outside just because I like the look of the bag being very slouchy and easy on the eye and not having a big kind of water bottle on the outside. What I have over here is a hand cream and just a couple of things that I grabbed for throughout the trip. Hand sanitizer, I had an extra hand sanitizer, and I think that's it. Yep, that's all in that particular pocket. Then over here in this one, I just had a couple of more items that I grabbed for a lot, like tissues. I also have a big pack of gum. Those of you that have seen this pack of gum know that it's pretty big and it fits obviously no issues inside that pocket. And then I also have, oh, I have a scrunchie, I didn't know that was in there, and then my lip balm. So all of that fit really nicely. Inside that side pocket, you can fit baby bottles, you can fit big water bottles, small water bottles. These pockets are really functional for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up just a little bit higher so we can get into the inside of the bag. Along the top of the bag, you just have one long zipper that goes the entire way across the bag. The zippers on this, and then obviously all of the detailing is in gold. I'm not sure if the camera picks that up very well, but I wanted to make sure to let you guys know that it is definitely gold. Sometimes it comes across possibly silver in the camera, but it looks so rich against this camel color. When you open up the bag, you have so much internal organization. As you can see here, I think I have one pouch packed in here. I really used all of the pockets that are built into this bag. I love the neutral cream liner, and it's really wipeable, so it was easy if my water spilt or anything like that. You also have a Lily Jade logo back here, and then that same trim that the bag is made out of along the zipper, and then on the logo, you also have down in here the key leash for your keys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling things out so you can really see the different pockets. But you have two elastic pockets here, and then you have two regular just kind of slip pockets in the front of the bag here. So I'll go ahead and pull out my water bottle for starter since it's over here on the side. I have it inside the elastic pocket. Like I told you guys earlier, you can easily fit water bottles like this on the outside pocket. I'll go ahead and show you really quickly how easily it went in and out of the side there. I just like to have mine on the inside because I just personal preference really. But this is an Ella water bottle, and it is 22 ounces, and it's rather wide. So I definitely think those of you with like the bigger Contigo or Hydro Flask bottles or things like that will definitely have no issues with your particular water bottle. Then over here on this other kind of elastic pocket all the way down there, you can barely see it. I just have my eyeglass case. This held my eyeglasses and my sunglasses throughout the trip. Then as far as the inside of the bag, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull out the items that are hanging out right here on the inside. I have two magazines. This is just an Asheville magazine that I picked up in the airport to read, and then my Magnolia Journal magazine. That's like my favorite magazine ever. I look forward to when it comes out every season, but I have both of those in there. Those of you with laptops, I think that might be a common question. I can easily fit my 13-inch MacBook Pro in here. I'm not sure about other sizes. If you guys want to see more in depth, like pictures of a laptop packed in here, let me know down below, or anything for that matter, because I can always jump over to Instagram and do a quick little story or even post a picture for y'all. But like I said, I had those magazines in there. I also have my weekly simplified planner. I have a book that I was reading on the trip, and then I have my iPad mini in there. This is just a like Kate Spade cover that's attached to it. Then also with those items, I have sticking up in here vertically a Lily Jade packing case in navy. And inside here, I just had all of my small odds and ends. So I had eye drops and lip gloss. I had some pills, Band-Aids. It's just all of the small essentials that I needed for traveling around the city or on the airplane, places like that. So it's all of the little stuff that I might need to grab while I was there. And it fits great inside this packing case. Then I'll show you kind of what the bag looks like without anything on the inside. You have two more pockets here. In this one, I just had some wet ones, some Clorox wipes, and then I also have tucked down in here a almost empty pack of these Halls defense watermelon little candies, if you will. They're just vitamin C candies. And that's everything I had inside this pocket. Inside this pocket over here, I had a couple of pens and a highlighter for reading and working in my planner. And then I also have 2 notebooks. These are also made by Simplified Planner. I have one kind of for my Gator Mom stuff and then one for personal stuff. And they fit really well inside that pocket. Then, of course, attached down here to the key leash that's inside the bag, I have my keys. And then I also have attached on there my Shop O Venture key ring. This is a rose gold silicone one, and it fits fine inside the bag, no problem. And that's everything I have in the pockets of the bag. There is one last zipper pocket back here in the back, and I chose to put all of my charging cables inside this pocket, just because I didn't want the cords kind of getting tangled in these open pockets. I have one for my iPhone and one for my Apple Watch, and they are down in there. They're extra long cords because I like to travel with long ones for, you know, being by the bedside or in the airport, and they fit, obviously, no issues down in there. It's a nice deep pocket. So that is everything I have packed up inside. I will give you one last good look of the inside of this bag. I also had inside the very top here a scarf when I was traveling in the airport, and then I also just kind of tied the scarf around this grab handle here, which I think you might have seen in my beginning intro. I think I still had the scarf attached here. So you can definitely jazz her up with like super cute scarves for fall or winter, maybe like a cute buffalo plaid check one or like a mustard one. So many different options that you can really kind of make it your own. But that's everything I have packed up inside. Please let me know below if you guys have any other questions that I may not have touched on, and I will definitely try to address them, and go ahead and see you guys over on Instagram as far as, you know, any videos or additional pictures that y'all need. So I will talk to you guys on my next video. I hope you have an awesome day.